Cellulite and the feeling of being bloated are problems that bother us all year long, but in the summer, they are more pronounced. During summer, we use shorter clothes and it leaves our bodies more exposed. Do you have any problems with bloating or cellulite? There is a great infusion to help you with that, and you can drink it hot, cold or warm. It's good for any time of the year. Genetics, poor eating habits, salt in excess, a sedentary lifestyle, tight clothes and dehydration all can be the cause of water retention, bloating, bad blood circulation and weight flotation. But don't worry. This tea will help you. Besides water, the recipe uses 5 other ingredients. One of them is horsetail, known for its diuretic and antioxidant actions, as well as for boosting metabolism. Gotu kola helps stimulate blood circulation. In addition to this, the infusion also uses hibiscus, a great diuretic that helps burn fat and is rich in micronutrients like calcium, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus and vitamins, helping keep our bones, skin and hair healthy. Cinnamon, also included in this tea, is a natural thermogenic that helps burn more calories, just like ginger. Write the ingredients down and learn how to make it. 2 tablespoons of horsetail, 1 tablespoon of gotu kola, 1 tablespoon of hibiscus, 1 ceylon cinnamon stick, 1 slice of fresh ginger, 50 ounces of water. Directions: start by boiling the water. Put all ingredients in a container, and pour hot water over it. Let it rest for 15 minutes. You can drink it right away, wait for it to cool down a bit or put it in the fridge and drink it cold. You can drink 3 or 4 cups, during 10 days. People who suffer from heart diseases, high blood pressure, and also pregnant and nursing women must avoid this tea. If you have any doubts, please talk to your doctor before drinking it. It's very easy to make, right? Also check the description below to find more tips and remedies. Please give a like for this video and subscribe for a channel for more tips and product reviews.